Legislators from Meitei, Kuki and Naga communities set to hold formal talks in New Delhi tomorrow to discuss and seek a peaceful resolution to ongoing violence in Manipur. Security forces arrest 7 accused cadres of KCP Nongrin Khumba during search operation at Langol Game Village, Imphal West with arms, vehicles and various incriminating items. All Manipur School Students Transporters Association welcomes government's decision on school van services but raises concerns over feasibility amid unrest. Two individuals lost their lives after drowning in a pond at Sangaipro Mamanglekai under Lamphel Police Station late last night. And key figure in supporting Northeast Indian community in Thailand for 7 years, Shirley Roy from Manipur reappointed as Northeast India representative at Indian Embassy in Thailand. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English Bulletin. I'm JOYSHREE USHAM, bringing you the top stories and latest news at this hour. In a significant step towards peace and reconciliation, MLAs from the Meitei, Kuki and Naga communities are set to hold formal talks in New Delhi tomorrow to discuss and seek a peaceful resolution to the ongoing violence in Manipur. The meeting, hosted by Union Ministry of Home Affairs (MHA), will take place at MHA office in New Delhi under the guidance of Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Representing the Meitei community, prominent leaders such as Minister Thongam Biswajit, Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Minister Thongnaujam Basanta Kumar, Speaker Thokchom Satyabrata, MLA KH Ibomcha, MLA Thokchom Radhesham and MLA Tongbram Robindro are expected to attend. From the Kuki community, attendance will include Minister Letpao Haukip, MLA Pauline Lal Haukip and MLA Haukolet Kipgen, while the Naga community will be represented by Minister Wangbao Nyumai, MLA El Diko and MLA Ramuiva. According to reliable sources, the Union Ministry of Home Affairs personally invited the MLAs and ministers via letters and phone calls. While some Meitei MLAs have already reached New Delhi, others are scheduled to leave Imphal today. The ongoing conflict between the Meitei and Kuki communities has claimed over 200 lives and displaced more than 60,000 people who are currently living in relief camps across the state. This peace initiative by the MHA is seen as a crucial move towards ending the 18-month-long crisis and restoring harmony in the state. Rajya Sabha MP Leshemba Sanajauba along with key ministers and MLAs from Manipur departed for New Delhi today for a crucial meeting aimed at addressing the ongoing unrest in the state. Among those who left were Health Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Education Minister TH Basanta Kumar, Water Resource Minister Awangbao Nyumai, Mahut Minister Yumnam Kemchan, Mao MLA Losi Diko and Oripog MLA KH Raghumani. Speaking to media at the airport, Water Resource Minister Awangbao Nyumai mentioned that he was not aware of this specific agenda, but emphasized that the meeting called by the Union Ministry of Home Affairs is focused on bringing peace to the state. Mao MLA Losi Diko expressed optimism about the meeting's potential to yield a positive outcome. It is worth noting that Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker T.H. Satyabrata and Thanga MLA T. Robindro had already left for New Delhi yesterday. The meeting is expected to play a key role in addressing the ongoing ethnic violence and tensions in Manipur.
Akoi bo kauzaba meeting se koi agenda kari magno khangde adubo home ministry na koi tang unani yenga haba ho chalu bane agenda khanglo modong da kari kari tawbi abra je akoi haiba ngamgani peace purak number kamai tawsira habde koi akoi on level da adum honor lakpane.
The initiative of the home ministry, I think it's a very good sign. That's why I have a great hope and I like to participate and listen to the wisdom and see how best we can take up the initiative. I will see after the meeting, but I think this is a very, very positive step.
While at the Imphal airport for a personal visit to New Delhi, MPCC President K. Megachandra expressed that the opposition MLAs had not been informed about the meeting initiated by the Union Home Ministry regarding the Manipur crisis. However, he reaffirmed that the Congress party supports any initiative aimed at bringing a resolution to the ongoing unrest in the state.
If we think for the solution, it is good, but oppositions are not invited, so we don't have any comment now. It is very good, as I repeat, that if the outcome is very good and positive for the entire people of Manipur, then it will be welcome. But as no, there is no discussion at all, and there is no information to the part of the oppositions. That is, after the meeting, we can understand what to do and what will be the comment from our side.
In a significant operation this morning, security forces apprehended 7 accused active cadres of proscribed KCP Nongdren Khomba in Langol Game Village, Zone 3 area, following reliable intelligence about their presence and intent to engage in extortion and threats against the public. Arrested persons are 26-year-old Laushambam Aline Singh, son of late L. Bayron from Singjamai Oinam Thingel, Imphal West District, 23-year-old Konzam Rohit, son of K. Gonendro from Patsoi Part 1, Imphal West, 20-year-old Sanju Wahingbam Elias Lemba, son of late W. Sanjoy from Palace Compound, Mahabali Mamang, Imphal East, 26-year-old Fanjaubam Thoiba Mangang Elias Malimnganba, son of late P.H. Jiten from Thongju Part 2, currently residing at Wangkai Tokfam, Laikai, Imphal East, 21-year-old Waikom Hero Mitei, son of W. Iboyaima from Takiel, Mamang Laikai, Imphal East, 23-year-old Yanglem Bikas Elias Amujau, son of late Y. Hemanta from Singjamai, Yanglem Laikai, Imphal West, and 41-year-old Hentoibi Moirangthem Elias Chan, daughter of Moirangthem Kumar from Uripok, Gopalaji, Lairak, Imphal West District. During the operation, authorities recovered a cache of items including 3 vehicles, one white Toyota Fortuner, registration number MN06LA7346 with 5 additional number plates, one white Hyundai Grand i10, registration number MN01AG8516, and one brown Royal Enfield Classic 350. Recovered weapons include 1 pistol with 1 magazine loaded with 2 rounds of 7.65 ammunition and 1 pistol marked Forgas Taurus SA made in Brazil with an empty magazine. Other items include mobile phones and various incriminating articles, camouflage uniforms and gear. A case has been registered at Lumfield Police Station for further investigation into the matter. Imphal West SP KSH Shivakanta warned that extortion cases will be handed over to the NIA.
Houkiba numit marini mangani sikatungda koina Imphal West District Police katana koina pagal isimi taramathui sure extortion ga mari leina demand ga mari leina amda aduna koi police na tuminna tummaga leibinate police monitor kana tawri adu mathakta hojikti extortion si tumsum hengala agadi akoina extortion da phari ba mising si rounds payokil e amang da phagi ba kena torpa simba atang case ne basing si koi hoji NSA toba koi hauragani aduna siguma mayam singsida koi warning tawjari na koi siguma kino si toktrugadi hojikti NSA tawraga book toba or serious oba crime singda koi NIA da si extortion gi toina tawra extortion gi case sing si koi NIA da sinnaragani ya NIA da so koi recommend tawba hauragani na koi police ki side gi masi thamjage.
All Manipur School Students Transporters Association (AMISTA) expresses support for the Manipur government's decision to implement school van services following the Supreme Court's guidelines, but raises concerns about its feasibility given the prevailing unrest in the state. Speaking at the 7th AMISTA Day observed at Manipur Press Club today, AMISTA General Secretary Jimmy Tongbram appealed to the authorities to engage in discussions with the association members to develop a practical plan for implementation amidst the ongoing crisis. The event was held to honor deceased school van service providers who were members of the association, commemorating their contributions to the society.
Supreme Court ki guideline ki matungina hausi government of Manipur na implement tawgadriba school van service ki chana kanglon si masa mastana welcome tawi government ju sungsoi shodra masi ako implement tawbiu tawbagidi hana chana ga dawba niyom kanglon mayam singse bariba Manipur ki present trend jida Manipur ki current situation jida karai bhogba kamani implement tawo ya ga dagi hausi mari lene ba competent authority amade staff aminaraga van gi baraji ako angang masing handarabani mama pa da burden pi dana ba kamaina lawo ya ga habini chingbusi autang punna ko honorable CM yauna ko mari lena ba authority yaurga autang phaminaraga masi mathang chahidagi sungsoi jana implement tauna ba hona biu.
Minister of Skills, Labour, Employment and Entrepreneurship, Haikam Dingo, met with Union Minister of State for Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, Jayan Chaudhary, to discuss the establishment of a skill development university in Manipur. The recent meeting took place at the Union Minister's office at Kaushal Bhavan. During the discussion, Minister Dingo highlighted the challenges related to skill development and the growing issue of youth unemployment in the state. He emphasized the need for a skill development university to address these issues and requested the Union Minister's support for its inception in Manipur. This initiative aims to provide better opportunities for the youth and enhance their skills to meet industry demands. Residents of Langtabal, Kunja, Mayailekai and family members staged a protest meet at Langtabal in Imphal West District today, demanding release of the 3 arrested members from Youth of Manipur. Protesters demanded unconditional release of the arrested persons. They accused the government of trying to silence the voices of youth and violate their rights.
Mama will be singing a ishing a good had of the Targadi. Nashing a simple family bar, I could some love my family and said, the Tatana, him saying, can't kill Maraka, Adum such a gigani. Loina, ishing a supukari, but had of the Targadi. Yum the lady Mama said, they did Mama for you so. Have you all have a wapama share? Tawong lava, Shima Toan gets him a pan, get panroing a Mabama Quay, Makota law and a Musliba, Tarkari, Makonda, Mama will get quick when a Muslim.
Assistant HRD Secretary of Pambai-led UNLF, T.H. Ningtamba, voices concerns over the ongoing misuse of armed individuals by wealthy and influential people in Manipur. Speaking at the inauguration of a new branch of the Universal Mothers Organization at Chekon, Imphal East District today, Ningtamba stated that this abuse has been occurring in the state for quite some time. He also highlighted the large number of organizations in Manipur, emphasizing that their purpose should be focused on societal welfare rather than other motives. Ningtamba stressed the crucial role women have in addressing the challenges currently facing the state, particularly in these difficult times.
Mapandagi lakpa kuki mitop singna aikoigi pikraba lamasida makoigi saru kharamu lawni hai masida go megi nakandagi kari dauri aikoi kanasu ngasi fawba khangde khangsu khangoi haisu hairoi maramdi moigi policy tongali aduga aikoi namu kaidauri aikoisu ponglai lebani lojing loyada nomai kapado ngathokpani imai bel sing thinba sanaba thinbani sibu nupi gi thokang lo Natti adubu aikoi mamutana khangdabana masigi thabak oina tawraga leire aikoina tawgadaba thabakto khara one.
Zeliangrong United Front ZUF has condemned the issuance of a no objection certificate NOC by NSCN IM Lieutenant General retired VS Atem VC Deputy Ato Kilonser for the establishment of Zeliat Wildlife Sanctuary. The NOC was reportedly granted to one Nehemiah Panmai on August 24 this year on behalf of affected landowners with authorization given to Lungchai B. Gonmei for sanctuary development and seismic oil exploration. Press note from ZUF criticized the NSC and IM's interference in Zeliangrong ancestral land, calling it a violation of local indigenous rights and a threat to unity. They urged the cancellation of the NOC and oil exploration plans, warning of unrest if the concerns of Zeliangrong people are ignored. The front stressed that community property should not be sold for short-term gains under the guise of conservation. In a tragic incident, 2 individuals lost their lives after drowning in a pond at Sangaipro, Mamanglekai under Lamphel police station late last night. According to police reports, the incident occurred around 11 p.m. The victims are Seram Dhanraj from Kwakaitil and Thiam Rohit from Kashamthong, Hodamleirak. Both men drowned after falling into Sangaipro, Mamanglekai Pukri Achauba. A team from Lamphel police successfully recovered their bodies, which have been transferred to RIMS mortuary. Further investigation into the circumstances surrounding the incident is underway. High Court Legal Services Committee of Manipur, in collaboration with Mediation Conciliation Project Committee of the Supreme Court of India, began a 40-hour mediation training program at the High Court Auditorium today. The program, aimed at advocates of High Court Bar Association, was officially launched by Chief Justice of High Court of Manipur, Justice Siddharth Mridul. In his address, Justice Mridul emphasized the importance of the program in promoting mechanisms for alternative dispute resolution to help clear the backlog of pending cases. He noted that the key principles of the mechanism include mutual respect, dialogue, and reconciliation, which are essential in resolving conflicts outside of traditional court processes. He further disclosed that efforts are underway to establish a mediation center under the High Court Legal Services Committee at the High Court complex. Resource experts from Mediation Conciliation Project Committee, Supreme Court of India, provided valuable insights during the training.
Mediation, in my respectful view, is the most effective method of alternative dispute resolution. Both parties, by and large, get what they want, and they are the one in the driver's seat. They determine what is it that they want. The mediators are there only to assist them in arriving at a fair settlement, following a fair and well thought out procedure which accommodates their interests, which respects their points of view, and which creates the environment necessary to arrive at an amicable settlement.
Manipur University Registrar W. Chandababu emphasizes that an ideal society can only be achieved when its members contribute selflessly, such as helping the illiterate and underprivileged by teaching them how to read and write rather than solely focusing on personal gains after securing an educational degree. He made this statement today at the certificate distribution ceremony of learners from a literacy program for displaced people at Kamakhya Pemton College Relief Camp, Hyangthang, and residents of Hyangthang, Kabuikhul, and Tarahil, Khonjil. The program was organized by Manipur University Department of Adult Continuing Education and Extension, held at the Adult Education Department. Professor Chandababu highlighted the unique role of the department, stating that while students of other departments focus on gaining knowledge, those in the Adult Education Department have a responsibility to teach the illiterate. Head of Department of Adult Continuing Education and Extension, Lamalu Thaimei, Director of Center for Myanmar Studies, Professor M.C. Arun Kumar, and other department faculty members attended the event.
Department of Adult Continuing Education and Extension University, a younger society linking platform responsibility among departments 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 responsibility departments volumes knowledge knowledge
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on reappointment of Shirley Roy from Manipur as Northeast India representative at the Indian Embassy in Thailand. Keep watching Impact News.
Marks Time Classes Wangkai Maihofam Lampak Lakliva November Gitang Maridagi Class 10 abadi 12 ki Revision Course Hogjaragani Revision Course asigi oina food and lodging free ojagani Bosem Kosem CVS gi subject shuna takliba amadi board ki pattern the periodic test and mock test pangthok chaduna mark hina fangnabagi tips and tricks su takchagadori bani limited Sydney ngashimak 9436288300 da call topiraktuna registration tobiho
Diagnostic ki lamda chahi nipu hena mangjil thana lakpaga loinana Babina group na miyangmi mafamda lanthokjari anoba ana laingi pathapta compassionate healthcare specialized field kun henbagi khanghairaba expert singga tanaduna matamgo chunaraba laingbagi kanaba lobiyu Paidigi luba treatment dagi horaga personalized oiba treatment pituna adongi haksal fagadna bahonaba asina ikwegi pandam oi adongi haksang fagalakpagi khongchata nungaiba amadi afaba laingi chapcharaba kanaba lobiyu Babina Hospital where hope meets compassion
Adom kalengi maisa maragda asumna humai humaga leiba pambibra natraga asumna nungaine AC manungda relax tawraga adongi daily thabak tawba pambibra asumna relax oina thabak tawbininglabadi mezo hapta AC brand makhal suna leizare loan gi khudong chabasu leizagani akupa marol gi damak lengsan biraksi mezo haf kai sampat konjing hazari lekai opposite Sangai Express
Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English Bulletin. Shirley Roy from Manipur has been reappointed as the Northeast India representative at the Indian Embassy in Thailand. Based in Phuket, Shirley has been a key figure in supporting the Northeast Indian community in Thailand for 7 years. As co-founder of the Northeast Indian Society, NEIS, she has championed initiatives benefiting the community, including organizing events to connect Thai and the Northeast Indian educators. Her reappointment solidifies her role as a cultural bridge, strengthening ties between Northeast India and Thailand. Shirley expressed gratitude for the opportunity to continue her work. The third episode of the solo exhibition by Toitoiba Mayanglambam, also known as Yelho Yengkok Artists, will be held from October 17 to 20 at Iboyaima Shumangli Lashanglen in Palace Compound, Imphal East District. The event is organized in association with Shakyeng Michel Manipur. During a media briefing at Manipur Press Club today, Shagyeng Michel Manipur President Laimayum Shantikumar shared that the exhibition will be titled Sagnairaba Singhi Liklu Pare. He also mentioned that the first episode of this series was held at Imphal Art College in October last year, followed by the second episode at Lakhipur in Kachar this January. The exhibition will showcase 30 of Toitoiba's paintings, giving art enthusiasts an opportunity to experience his creative journey.
Kanagumba Laibaki, Kunaishigi, Apo Tabak Toramba Kanaguma, Kanguma, Mana Toriba Simpam to the my partner. Miang with the Katok and Masagi Ojaba, Amata, Yavu Toramba Mayama, Magi, Chinpam to the Lord Yabamata, Natraga, Pibam the Matam the Yada than Mana, Chinpam to the Gipotagi, Bamatanda, Masi, Kanana, so can be Ubidana, not the Lopamanikum, Kankatagum. Ta no ledina masi akau gi ro ni tchen atu gumba mayam madu akoi na lokat jaraga matang akoi sangnai ga singli ru pare ngai na akoi pareng ama lengsan jaraga akoi yangkok ta ai isan pa ke choi mayam na kon gi aga madu makoi da towiram ba dan makoi na samaj ta piram ba dala do madu towi mun khara uchabani.
One-day demonstration and interaction program on tofu and paneer making was held today at DM College of Teachers Education Imphal, DMCTE Jubilee Hall. The program was held as part of the college community contact program under the collaboration of Internal Quality Assurance Cell, IQAC, and College of Agriculture, CAU Imphal. Students, teachers, and staff of the college attended the program. Manipur State Cooperative Bank Limited along with NABARD Imphal organized one-day financial literacy awareness program at Ingorok, Thoubal district today. Manipur State Cooperative Bank Limited President P. Ranjit, Manipur State Cooperative Bank Limited Vice President Y. Subhachandra, Cooperative Development Subcommittee Chairman Oinam Rajkumar and Manipur State Cooperative Bank Limited Deputy Manager H. Shantikumar took part in the program. Babina Hospital, Kabaisho, Imphal East District held a one-day free mental health camp at the hospital today. Around 50 individuals availed a free consultation. Thyroid, kidney function test, liver function test and blood sugar test facilities were also provided at the camp. District Tobacco Control Cell, Imphal West District, under National Tobacco Control Program (NTCP), carried out one-day school awareness program on harmful effects of tobacco use at Nila Padma Higher Secondary School, Sekmai Bazar today. NTCP District Nodal Officer Dr. A. Dinesh Sharma and NTCP Social Worker R.K. Narendra attended as resource person. Chandal Naga Christian Forum, Chandal Naga People's Organization and Naga Student Union Chandal jointly carried out an anti-drug rally themed Chandal for Christ at Chandal District Headquarters today. The rally from Maha Union Government Higher Secondary School in Jafau Bazar went up till Children Park in DC Lamkhai. Participants held various placards urging residents to make Chandal District free from drug menace. Assam Rifles has organized a lecture program on e-waste management at Tazei Public School in Gaidimjang, None District. 41 students and 3 teachers took part in the program. The United Youth Club organized a reception ceremony for Top Model Universe first runner-up and Setwet Mega Northeast 2024 winner Martin Iringbam at Kakching Khunau yesterday. President's rule in Jammu and Kashmir has been revoked, clearing the way for the formation of a new government following the recently concluded assembly elections in the Union Territory. The Ministry of Home Affairs issued a gazette notification in this regard on Sunday. President's rule was imposed in the erstwhile state of Jammu and Kashmir after the PDP-BJP government collapsed on June 19, 2018. In August 2019, the central government abrogated Article 370 of the Constitution and divided the erstwhile state into 2 union territories, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. The National Conference Congress Alliance won the J&K Assembly elections and is set to form the government with NC Vice President Omar Abdullah as the next Chief Minister. Abdullah has been elected as the leader of the alliance. Now the sports news. A new Crown Club Kongampa defeated SCK Kodompok P 6-0 in the 9th league match of the 29th El Sangeeta Devi Memorial First Division Football League held under the aegis of Imphal West District Football Association today at Pamiel Ground, Patsoi Part 2. For the winners, Manisana scored 4 goals at the 7th, 33rd, 77th and 88th minute of the match, while KH Emmanuel and N Momocha scored 1 goal each at the 16th and 55th minute of the match. While in the 10th league match, Juvenile Club Terasapam Leirak defeated Pamiel Patsoi 3-0. For the winners, Nelson, Biki and Sanatoy netted 1 goal each at the 7th, 14th and 50th minute of the match. 8 football teams from Imphal West District are competing in the league. BMSC Taubungkhok will face YWC Malom in the 11th league match on October 16. CO Tennis organized a mini marathon under the banner Stay Fit Run today. The mini marathon was flagged off by State Fisheries Department Director Haishnam Balkrishna from Lilong Thong and ended at CO Tennis Court Akampat. Many athletes participated in the mini marathon. Winners and runners-up were presented cash reward by the director. ICC Women's T20 cricket match hosted by United Arab Emirates between Pakistan and New Zealand is underway at Dubai International Stadium since 7:30 p.m. Australia defeated India by 9 runs in yesterday's match. In the second match, England defeated Scotland by 10 wickets. Semi-final of the tournament will be played from October 18 and final match on October 20. Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Legislators from Meitei, Kuki and Naga communities set to hold formal talks in New Delhi tomorrow to discuss and seek a peaceful resolution to ongoing violence in Manipur. Security forces arrest 7 accused cadres of KCP Nongdren Khomba during search operation at Langol Game Village, Imphal West with arms, vehicles and various incriminating items. All Manipur School Students Transporters Association welcomes government's decision on school van services but raises concerns over feasibility amidst ongoing unrest. Two individuals lost their lives after drowning in a pond at Sangaipro Mamang Laikai under Lamphel Police Station late last night. And key figure in supporting Northeast Indian community in Thailand for 7 years, Shirley Roy from Manipur reappointed as Northeast India representative at Indian Embassy in Thailand. That's all we have in this bulletin. Thank you for being with us. Coming up next is Primetime Manipuri Bulletin. Have a great evening and stay safe.
Awaba Fongdokchaba, Aikoigi Irakta, Nungshina Tinbiramba, Shri Furailatpam, Nandakumar Sharma.